My mum gave us waakye on a leaf. Yes, a leaf. A leaf that you find on a plant and a tree.
No, Adansi, you go over there.
Mama, why?
Aria needs to sit. Daddy's got your rice. Go to Daddy. Yay! Adansi, get up. You can be in a minute.
Sit down.
No forks. You wash your hands and you eat with your hands.
What?
Yes.
No, I'm eating this.
Huh?
I'm eating this.
No, that's yours.
Mama,
What?
look at this.
Yeah, leave that one.
I want the egg as well. Do we eat the leaf?
Do you eat the what?
The leaf.
No, you don't eat the leaf.
Why not?
Is it vegetables?
What is vegetables?
The leaf.
No.
Guys, go wash your hands.
Where did you wash that hand from?
Wash your hands now, please. Wash your hands. Thank you.
There's a leaf and
Okay, come and sit down and eat your waakye.
Sit down, okay.
No, stand.
But that's the oldest.
Okay, guys, so you're now going to start eating the waakye with your hands. No fork or knife or spoons. So, try, guys. Eat. Lunch is served. Hey, Adansi. Hey. Hey. Go put it down. Hey. Go and put it back. Hey, when did he even get that? Come for tour. Come on. Eat with your hands.
okay.
3, 2, no. Hey. 3, 2, 1, go. Try it.
I forgot to wash my hands.
You washed your hands already.
I know I didn't know.
I'm watching you.
Oh, I forgot I washed my
Go. All right, go, guys.
Oldest first.
All right. You mix it. Not like that. Just take some and then take some of the rice. Ah. Eat properly, normally. How is it?
Okay.
Okay, but
I'd rather eat with a knife and fork.
why? You don't feel the flavors when you eat with knife and fork. Adansi, your turn.
But I don't feel the flavors when I use my hands.
Hey.
Oh, yeah, your turn.
Hey. Use your hands. No jai do you know. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Washing his hands.
Why did you just wash your hands?
My hands were dirty.
Wipe your hands.
You're going to put the thing on your clothes. Aria.
Wash your hands with them. Okay. I'm ready.
Go on, Aria. How is it?
Fantastic.
Yeah? What?
I'm just gonna go get my water first.
Why? Is it hot? Is it spicy?
Yes. Yes, it is.
Okay, keep eating.
I can't.
And that's it's okay. You just eat the food. It's not that bad. Gonorrhea.
Now I'm going to take some.
Got to mix it.
Enjoying the food, Kwa? Do it like this. Squeeze it. What? Look why it's that hot.
Nancy, you are not funny for the last time. Everything is spicy for you.
And everything's cold for you.
It's not recording.
Yeah, yeah.
Don't put it on the floor.
Don't think about it.
Ah! Hot! Ah! Mhm.
So what's the leaf, right? So what's the leaf, right? No. This guy's crazy.
Very crazy.
Every single thing is spicy for him. Even if it's just a little bit of salt, spicy.
Hey! Maria.
Did they wash the leaf?
Of course they washed the leaf.
So I'm just thinking about animals crawling on it.
Mm-mm. What?
Mama,
Yeah?
is the leaf edible?
No. It's just a different way of eating.
I need a spoon.
Wait,
Why do you need a spoon?
Or a knife and a fork, because I can't really
You can, just use your hands. Mash it together like this. Mash it together. And then you put it in your mouth.
I don't really want to
Okay guys, we're gonna have dessert now. So obviously we've got Twix, and then we've got Fan Ice. And what we're gonna do is...
Wait, what?
Mm-hmm.
Ew. No, that's okay. Oh wow. That is just
nice.
nice. In a way, yeah.
No, but you have to try it. Don't say ill.
Can I have strawberry cake instead?
No.
Wait, can I have like fine ice with chocolate? Yeah, I'm just gonna get my
No, wait.
cake.
Oh, let me get you a fork. Stop it, Nancy. Stop. You can see. And then grab your Twix and have a bite and eat some of the thing.
Huh?
No, use your hand to bite your Twix. Bite a little bit and then have some of the ice cream. What do you think?
Not good.
Yeah, so nice.
Really nice?
Wait, how do you not like it? Wait, can I have strawberry cake?
After. Finish it.
I just wanted the chocolate melted. You know what I mean?